Taylor B out in nature. Yeah, so I came out here to do some product photography. Sometimes I like to just switch it up, especially when I can't figure out like a good backdrop or a, lighting situation. I just like to take shit outside, see if it works. So I'm out here and at this here's this cool little spot I found to shoot at. Yeah. So it's the second day of shooting. I had to split it up into 2 days because I wanted the light in the late afternoon yesterday, and today it's just sort of about getting the best light that I can. It's supposed to be cloudy later on today. I just got like this small break right now, and I think I'll get some good pictures. Yeah. Yeah, I gotta say, like, doing product photography, it's definitely like a learning curve, and I'm not fucking great at it. I should have like my own setup going on, but I like to experiment and like improvise, and as much work as I put into taking pictures for things, I really should have like multiples of inventory, but it's just like one-offs right now. And eventually it'll get to the point of like editions, and that'll be dope. But just working with what I got and like really taking the time to just fail and like make things better. Oh, and that's the last one. It's one like 20 pieces and stuff like that. Yeah.